Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ferlinda from Make Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So guys, kung meron kayong time, kindly watch my video below on how to making money online, product promotion, at iba pa guys. So kung meron kayong pang time ulit, kindly watch my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, website, and Instagram. So guys, we are talking about save and earn money. So this is the homepage of save and earn money. So guys, ayan po, this is the Nexus Rewards. This is a Nexus Rewards. What is the Nexus Rewards? This is a Nexus Rewards is the ultimate cashback savings and membership club designed to help people make money on all of the things they are already purchasing. Our simple but highly lucrative referral rewards program enables people to build a long-term sustainable income. So, what's this video? See what is Nexus Rewards can do for you. So, this is the video that we are how to rewards to we will getting rewards. This is the video here. So, Nexus enables to easily make money on purchases you are already making. So, look at this. So, this is the rewards. Members will be are already received the rewards from Nexus. When you will buy or purchase, you will receive the rewards or cashback. So, this is the one. This is a NXR. Nexus. So, ayan po guys. Kindly watch this video. I am mute already. Mute already the music because I don't want having a copyright of the video, but look at this or you will never be full price of anything ever again. Our premium members are enjoying fantastic savings, discounts, and cashback on gasoline, groceries, dining, travel, and shopping, both online and offline. The Nexus Rewards platform is easily saving people hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year and more. That's free money. The membership premium take your savings, cashback, and earnings to a whole new level for a one-time 10 setup and only 21.25%. You get access to that very same benefits portal, the 5 of the top 10 biggest US employers, and 23% of all Fortune companies. 500 companies are using for their executives the average savings and cashback back for a member over 5,000 per year. That's over 400 US dollar. A member is the Nexus Rewards Premium membership not only pays for itself, but it actually makes you family, whether you are ever poor people. And if you help others save money and get back, or copy a referral program uses 21st century technologies to track referrals and reward you a variety of different ways. First, you will earn $10 per month, and all your personal referrals, whether you 5, 10, 15 or more, you get $10 a month on them. You can earn up to 10 levels on everyone. When you factor in some geometric part, there was tremendous income. We also have a one-of-a-kind $5 coded infinity bonus of enters with a coded infinity bonus are studied because you could be earning an ever expanded who are literally dozens. And finally, 3x10 bonus matrix. As a premium member, you're immediately placed into the highest position available. In this 3x10 bonus matrix, you receive 100% check match on. So all your referrals, meaning if they make 10 in the matrix, you make an extra $10 at the top of your matrix earnings. If they make $100, you make an extra $. On top of your matrix, whatever they earn in the matrix, they will earn as well. This truly is an unprecedented opportunity. Simply by sharing this website, you are helping others and save money and get cashback while generating a life-changing that can pay you for years and years. So Nexus Rewards is a unique program wherever you save and get cashback just by using our products and apps in commission and bonuses. Lexus is already helping others, more savings, more cashbacks, more money, more security, more freedom, and more fun. We invite you to join us. So Nexus Rewards enables you to easily make money on purchases you are already making, like for example gasoline. You will get up a cashback, groceries, dining, travel, improvements, apparel, online or offline, and much more. So this is the one. So gasoline savings, save up to 20% cents per gallon and more every time you get gas. Refer others, get 15 cents a gallon per referral plus 1 cent a gallon for every referral they buy forever. So join now. So this is the exclusive benefits portal used by 5 out of 10 of the largest US employers plus 23% of Fortune 500 companies for their executives, management, and employees. So this is the average member savings and cashbacks over 400 US dollar per month, over 5,000 US dollar per year. So like for example, is a auto insurance, dental insurance, credit repair, fitness discount, health insurance, healthcare anywhere, home insurance, identity theft connection, legal protection, pet insurance, senior care services, start your well or trust plans, staying healthy, student loan finance, vision care, vision insurance. So easy to use. This is our app. It's simple to use. Just search and save. Search surrounding areas to find deals around you. So this is a 20 years plus in business. The mobile app can find you savings and every details you are already buying. So you will get a cashback, earn unlimited cashback at 3,500 plus stores. So exclusive discount featuring over 700,000 of the world's best brands. So this is a plus, an additional average of 6% cashback. The cash you earn is in addition to any credit or debit card rewards you currently receive. Just some of our merchants, like look at this. This is the merchants that we are partner here in Nexus Rewards. So all over the world you can get this also. So cashback, like for example, cashbacks on grocery, like for example, and everywhere you shop, you will get a cashback. So this is more cashback everywhere you shop, online and offline. So save up to 80% of prescription. YP more, saving money is the same as making money. So that is it is all about step 1, compare prices, step 2, get prices, step 3, show merchandise. So this is the rewards that you can get, or you will be getting this referral rewards program. Unlike anything else you have seen before, get rewarded for being a customer and using our products. Share the Nexus Rewards products and opportunity with others, and your potential earnings are unlimited. So has never been an opportunity that costs so little and pay so much. The best part is that you're building a residual income that can continue to pay you for decades to come. So if you want to become or upgraded as a membership or premium membership, so you will receive this. For example, $10 per month of personal referrals, earn up to 10 levels of referrals, dynamic compression, infinity coded bonus, 3x10 bonus matrix, 100% matrix check match, profit sharing polls. So this one, everything you need to succeed. So all you have to do is to sign up or join this program when you are purchasing oil purchasing all over the world. There are so many partner her for, like for example, for the groceries or gasolines. All you have to do is to join this. Click this one, click now or join now. So, become a premium member or just try some free stuff. This is the premium subscription. And if you want to become become a free member, like for example, there are two choices to become a premium member. Click her, or to become a free member, click her. So, guys, kindly watch this or read this first. Maybe you will be interested this premium subscription because there are so many cashbacks and savings every month that you will be received, like for example these ones and these referral rewards also. So if you want to become a free member, so click this one also. So click this one. So invitation only, please enter the username of the person who refers. So this is my person, kindly click this one. This is my name, is Berlinda Darcy. So click this one and then click continue. So please invitation only, please enter the username of the person who prepared you. What is it? Oh wait, no wait for a while. So Berlinda, that is the username that I am using inside the Nexus reward, so that is continue. Wait, continue. So click this one. What the country you are, and then continue. So click this one. Kindly fill up this form only. So guys, that is all about on how to become a member Nexus Rewards to save and earn money here, because every time you purchase you will be receiving a cashback and save money, or you can making making money to refer to your loved ones or to your friends all over the world, so you can earn money. So guys, that it is all about my video for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe on my channel here, and kindly click the notification icon because you will be received for the notification someday for another video that I will be uploading. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.